How to lighten dark skin with this natural lightening oil. Get glowing skin. Every one of you wants to have fair, soft, and smooth skin, as the color and the texture of your skin have a primary effect on your overall look. Therefore, these days, the men and the women with dark skin make use of different whitening products. Also, they get multiple skin treatments. All of such methods are not harmless. In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make 100% natural overnight skin whitening oil that is simply amazing and gives fast results. To make an amazing skin lightening oil at home, the ingredients you need are: ingredients: vitamin E oil, 2 capsules; olive oil, half DSP; almond oil, half DSP. Procedure: take a clean bowl, and in it, add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Now, add half TSP of olive oil. After this, add half TSP of almond oil. Now, mix the ingredients well, and make mix. After this, you will get the best overnight skin whitening oil ready for use. How to use: apply the oil at night, and with it, massage in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes after massaging, and wipe it off. Leave your skin overnight. Benefits you will get: vitamin E makes skin shiny, and it nourishes your skin. Also, it keeps skin hydrated and improves collagen level of your skin. Because of vitamin E, you can keep your skin protected from damage. Also, it makes skin white overnight. The use of almond oil is amazing for the dark skin. It has natural skin lightening effects. Olive oil also nourishes your skin, and makes it soft and smooth. So, if your skin is dark, and you need to have fair and glowing skin, make and use this overnight skin whitening oil and have beautiful skin.